Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rahman Labib and welcome again to FlyWP monthly recap webinar February 2025. So we have a lot of things to cover in this webinar. First, let's get started with our key updates from February 2025. So we have embedded one-click site backup to Google Drive, improved our live chat support, which was introduced in last month. Also, we have added support for Ubuntu 24.04, and we have added a new server location in Hedzna in Singapore. So let's have a demonstration of our one-click site backup to Google Drive. So Google Drive now supports backup for our sites, and it's a seamless one-click backup and restore process. Let's have a demonstration of that. So here we are in our servers. I have already prepared a site which actually has access to our Google Drive backup. Here, our backup provider, as a backup provider, we have already selected Google Drive and we have added the root folder ID. The backup option is already saved. We can just click on create manual backup and it will save the backup. It will take the backup and save the file in our Google Drive. There's already a documentation how to set it up. Let's just wait here for a couple of moments to see here it is. It's already success. You can just click here to restore, or if you want to download, just download the entire database, should be already in your Google Drive. Next, we have improved our live chat support. Now our live chat support is faster and smarter. You can get immediate assistance for better backup setup, server management, and troubleshooting. FlyWP now supports Ubuntu 24.04. With enhanced performance and stability, you can add Ubuntu 24.04 servers and manage them directly from FlyWP. Let's also have a demonstration of that to check and make sure that Ubuntu 24.04 servers work. So if we had to create a new server, let's say from DigitalOcean, first we actually had only the support for Ubuntu 24.02. Now you can see that there is an option for Ubuntu 24.04. And you can just launch a server. It doesn't really take that much time and it's super easy to manage with FlyWP. Here, it will spin up the entire system in Ubuntu 24.04 and you can store your websites and manage it from directly FlyWP. You don't need to add a custom server for Ubuntu 24.04 anymore. Next, we have the availability for Singapore region in Herdner server, which will lower the latency for Asian users and bring faster loading times. For people who want to host your server in Singapore for regional purposes, they can actually try Herdner because Herdner is cheaper than DigitalOcean and other services. Let me share a quick demonstration. So this time, let's create a Herdner server to check Here, from server locations, you can directly get Singapore and also launch the server directly from within FlyWP. Before this update, Singapore region wasn't really available. It will be a great benefit to our Asian users or users who want to run a business in Southeast Asia or target this market specifically. Next, we have fixed Redis ACL. There will be no more access control issues in future, hopefully. We have also fixed Redis credentials for our site cloning features. Now, site cloning will be smoother and faster than ever. Also, we have added a feature for handling missing Redis credential, which will enable and enhance support for older sites. Next, we have added migration fix for open light speed for better well-known configuration handling. Now also we have a domain check before site transfer to avoid incorrect transfers. So if you have a domain name attached in a server and you want to move that domain to another server, or let's say you have a domain somewhere and you want to add the same domain to another server, moving from one server to another. In that case, there will be a domain check beforehand to avoid the incorrect transfer. Also, we have improved our Acme challenge fix for open light speed, so there will be no more SSL validation failures. So other key fixes and improvements that we have had in this month, we have improved our API validation for Vultr, which will improve and lower the connection errors. We have also improved our error handling process for WordPress core updates, which will provide a clearer log. Also, we have added a fix for automatic Docker log cleanup. So your old Docker logs won't get your server laggy. It will stay as lightweight as possible. Next, we have the upcoming features, and I'm glad to share that we have been working on uptime monitoring and uptime monitoring features for sites. You might have noticed that we already had the feature for uptime monitoring for our servers, but this time we are embedding a new feature for site uptime. So you can check how long one of your sites have been up for, and if the site is down, hopefully there will be a notification sent to you. Also, we are adding first-party site migration. You don't have to use any third-party tools to migrate your sites from another provider to FlyWP. You can directly use FlyWP as a site migration tool. Also, we will try to bring unified domain management panel as soon as possible. These things will be added as add-on features to our next update. On our next update. So thank you for being here. This was our FlyWP monthly recap webinar of February 2025. Hopefully, if you have any questions, we will be answering them soon. And please don't hesitate to knock us if you have any issues or any further queries from FlyWP. Thank you.